Hi everyone and welcome to Salesforce Journey. So today in this video of our flow series, we are going to learn how we can add picklist and multi-select picklist in the Salesforce Screen Flow. So let's see how we can do it. So first I will show you a demo of a screen flow in which I have displayed the picklist. Then we will see the process of adding picklist and multi-select picklist in a screen flow. So now on the screen you can see the demo screen flow that I have created, and in this I have added the picklist and the multi-select picklist for the opportunity object, that is the opportunity stage, and another custom multi-select picklist field, that is product. So now I will show you this in a debug window so that you can see the values of picklist and multi-select fields. So now on the screen you can see the field that we have included in this screen flow, and here you can see the opportunity stage, and as I click on the drop down it will show all the stages from the specific pick list, that is the opportunity stage. And then we have another pick list multi-select field, that is the product. So here you can see the multiple values that you can select. So this is how our flow will look like when we will add the pick list and the multi-select pick list. So now let's see how we can create a screen flow in which we can include the pick list and the multi-select fields. So right now I'm on the setup page of my Salesforce org, and from the quick find box I will navigate to the flow setup, and here in the flow setup window we will click on the new flow button. So here we are going to create the screen flow, so select the option screen, and now in the flow builder we will create the screen flow. So first I will add a screen. So in this example I will take the account object to display the pick list and multi-select pick list. So first I will add a screen. So here we are creating the screen flow for the account object. So to create the account, the only required field is the account name. So I will add the text component to the screen in which the user can give the input for the account name. And now I'm going to label this text component as account name. And here I don't want the flow label to be displayed on the screen. So from here in the configure header, I will remove it. And now we are going to add the picklist field, that is the account industry. So for that first we need to add the picklist component. So here it is. I will drag it to the screen region, and now we need to configure it. So I will enter the label as account industry, and the API name here will be autofilled. So here the component type will be the picklist. And now we will go to choice, and from here we will create a new choice resource that will fetch the value of picklist from the actual account object. So here the resource type is going to be picklist choice set, and the API name I will mention it here as account industry, and the object here will be account, and the data type will be picklist. And now from the field we need to select the field from which we want to display the picklist value. So here it is industry, and after this we have to simply click on the done button. So now we have mapped this picklist field with the industry field of the account object. In the same way we will also add the picklist multi-select field. So from the components I will drag multi-select picklist to the screen region, and here I am going to name it as interested services. So in my account object I have created a custom picklist multi-select field that I'm going to map it over here, and the API name will be autofilled. And then in the configuration you have a choice that you want to allow user to select multiple options or not. I will keep it as yes. And then in the choice again we need to define a choice resource. So here again click on the new choice resource, and here the resource type will be picklist choice set. So both for the picklist and the picklist choice set, the resource type will be picklist choice set. So the API name I am keeping as services, and the object here will be account again. And now we need to select the data type. So this time it will be picklist multi-select, and then we have to select the picklist multi-select field. So here is the only custom picklist field, that is service interested, and here I will click on the done button. So as of now we have configured the screen and added the picklist and the multi-select picklist from where user can select the values from both of the field, and here is showing two errors. So here we also need to enter the label for the screen. So I will name it as account details, and the API name will be autofilled. Again click on the done button. So now the user will give input in the screen, and to create the record we will add the create record element. and I'm going to name it as create account. So how to set record field values? Select the option manually, and the object here will be account. So now we need to map the values from the account object to the input fields of the screen component. So first is account name, so it will be mapped with the account details account name, and the next field for the account object is the industry, and it will be mapped with account details, that is the screen component, and the input field, that is account industry. And in the same way we will map the picklist multi-select field, that is the custom picklist multi-select services interested, and the value will be mapped with screen component input field, that is interested services. So as of now we have created the whole screen flow. Now I will save it. So I'm going to name it as create account and then save it. And now to show you how the picklist and the multi-pick list values are appearing in the screen flow, I will debug this screen flow. So for that, click on the debug window and then click run. And now you can see here we have the input field account name, account industry. It will show all the pick list field that are there in the account industry field. And then we have the pick list multi-select field, product interested. So from here we can select multiple values. And as I click on the next button, the account will be created. So here you can see the message your flow finished. That means the account is created successfully. Let me show you the created account. So here you can see this is the account test one that we have created, and here in the industry field you can see the pick list value that we have selected. So this is how we can add pick list and the multi-select pick list values in the Salesforce screen flow.